First, open Google. Search ChatGPT. Now, type, "Give me a prompt to generate a travel agency poster." Include the travel agency title, Surya Travel, and the text, "Explore the World." Also, add an airplane and stunning destination images. Include a 20% off tag, as well as the website and contact number. Click here to get the prompt. Now, copy this prompt. Go to Google and search Ideogram AI. Open the Ideogram website. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Paste the prompt. Now, we will change some details here. Click on Generate. Ideogram has created 4 images based on the prompt. Go to Creations. Open any of these images. To get a more optimal result, go to Magic Prompt and copy it. Paste it here. Click on Generate again. You can see the new result. We will choose this one. Download this image. Go to Google. Search Canva. Open the Canva website. Click on Custom Size, then Upload. Click on Upload Files. Add your image. Click on Use in a new design, then Custom Size, then Create New Design. Select the image and click on Edit. Go to Magic Grab, choose Brush and increase its size. Select this discount tag. Click on Grab. Canva grabs this tag. Delete it. Now, click Edit, then Magic Eraser. Adjust the brush size. Brush over all the text. Click on Erase to delete it. Now, we will create our designs. Go to Elements, search Travel Logo. Go to Graphics. Add an image. Go to Text and add a heading. Add the company name. Go to Font and search Cinzel. Choose Cinzel Decorative Bold. Make it uppercase. Reduce its line spacing. Change its color to match with the logo image. Select both and group them. Place this logo at the top right corner. You can use your own logo. Go to Text and add a heading. Type, "Explore the World." Go to Font and search Anton. Choose Anton font. Make it uppercase. Adjust its size and position. Change its color to white. Add a text. Type your website. Go to Font and search Lato. Choose Lato Bold Font. Change its color. Duplicate and add your phone number. Place it on the bottom left. Now, search Web. Add an element. Change its color. Place it before the website. Similarly, add a call icon. Now, search price tag. Go to Graphics. Add a tag element. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type discount percentage. Here, we will choose Lato Black font. Reduce its line spacing. Adjust font size individually. Make it right-aligned. Change its color to white. Select both and group them. Adjust its position. Search Book Now button. Change its color also. Place it on the bottom right. Go to Elements and search White Light Ray. Go to Graphics section. Add a ray element. Place it on the top right corner. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Choose Choral Effect. Now, adjust the text's color to match with the ray. In this way, we can create a poster design using AI and edit it in Canva. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.